see, we got fish right off the bottom.
And weeds.
And weeds. Looks like Gary's about to tear another one up.
Look at this guy trying to get back in the hole. Here's one right here.
Gary just got him another one. Oh, it's a bluegill. We got a gill that time. I'm gonna have to get out the camera here in a minute and try to catch some myself.
Well, you know, you gotta know how to fish. That helps.
Well, ice fishing is not my forte.
Is sitting at home in front of the TV your forte?
Well,
hitting the refrigerator? That's not funny.
only when the wife will let me go.
Ooh. Well, we had to blow a truck up.
Yeah, we did have to blow a truck up today to try to catch some fish.
That hurts.
I'm gonna get the other camera and bring it over here.